In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a tab in Google Sheets. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to secure your data from accidental edits, locking a tab is a straightforward process that can save you from many headaches later on. So, grab your cup of coffee and let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and navigate to the Google Sheets application. Once you're there, open the Google Sheet that you're planning to work with. It's important to ensure you're in the correct document to avoid making unwanted changes elsewhere. Next, we're going to identify the specific tab you want to lock. To do this, right-click on the tab located at the bottom of the page. This little action brings up a menu of options related to that tab. Now, from this menu, look for and select the option that says Protect Sheet. This step is crucial as it sets the path for protecting your data from undesired modifications. By doing this, you're essentially telling Google Sheets that you want to restrict editing permissions for this specific tab. Once you've clicked on Protect Sheet, you'll notice a sidebar pop up on the right side of your screen. In this sidebar, one of the options you'll see is called Set Permissions. Make sure you check this box. It's within this section that you can define who gets editing rights and who doesn't, essentially customizing the protection level of your sheet. The next move is to decide who exactly can edit this particular sheet. Typically, if you want to keep it simple and secure, you might choose to allow only yourself to edit the sheet. However, if you're working collaboratively, you can specify certain people who also have the ability to make changes. You can do this by typing in their email addresses in the designated field. Take a moment here to double-check that you've included all the necessary members. Finally, once you're satisfied with your permission settings, click on the Done button to apply these changes. This finalizes the tab locking process, ensuring that only authorized users can make edits. Your data is now protected with these new parameters, giving you peace of mind as you either continue to work on other aspects of your project or step away from it completely. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully locked a tab in Google Sheets, safeguarding your work against unintended modifications. Keep this technique in your toolkit for all future projects, and you'll navigate collaborative efforts with ease and confidence. I hope this guide was helpful for you today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.